Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss 3 August 3rd paper, daily assignment paper. Okay? Right. First question is question number 146 of our material. Which one of the following is a Deuteromycetes fungus is the question. See, Aspergillus, it belongs to Ascomycetes. Agaricus, it belongs to Basidiomycetes. Alternaria, Deuteromycetes. Albugo, Phycomycetes member. So our answer is 3. Okay, ma? Aspergillus belong to Ascomycetes, sac fungi. Agaricus belong to Basidiomycetes, club fungi. Albugo belong to Phycomycetes, algal fungi. Alternaria is a Deuteromycetes member. Okay. Next, question 147. Majority of members are decomposers of litter and help in mineral recycling in this class of fungi is the question. In this question, which class of fungi is having decomposers which help in mineral recycling is the question. Okay, we will see. Ascomycetes, no. Deuteromycetes, yes. Phycomycetes, no. Basidiomycetes, no. So our answer is Deuteromycetes. Okay. Next, 135 question. Deuteromycetes reproduced by Deuteromycetes fungi reproduced by asexual spores, Conidia only. Asexual spores, Conidia. Okay. See, sexual reproduction is not found in Deuteromycetes. They are fungi imperfecti. They have no perfect stage. Here answer is 3. Gametes are not formed. Motile spores are not formed. Somatogamy also does not occur. What is somatogamy? If vegetative cells fuse, their cytoplasm fuse, their protoplasm fuse, okay, then it is called as somatogamy. Somatogamy will not occur. Even gametes also are not formed in this. Okay, right. Next question. Question 55. Material question. Statement 1. Deuteromycetes are called fungi imperfecti. Deuteromycetes are called fungi imperfecti. Correct. Next, Deuteromycetes fungi lack sexual reproduction. Yes, this statement also correct. Both these statements are true. Okay, ma? Right. So, what is the correct answer here? Here the correct answer is statement 1 true, statement 2 also true. Hence we will go for first option. Both these statements are true. Both these statements are true here. Okay, ma? Next. Now we are going to discuss additional questions from this area. Questions are not given in our material, hence we have prepared additional questions from textbook sentences. Okay, ma? Right. Deuteromycetes fungi are commonly known as, what is the common name of Deuteromycetes fungi? Imperfect fungi. Yes, this is the answer. Why? We learn. Algal fungi, no. Basidiomycetes are called as algal fungi. Next, sac fungi. Ascomycetes fungi are called as sac fungi. Club fungi. Basidiomycetes fungi are called as club fungi. Hence, our answer is fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi. Why Deuteromycetes are called imperfect fungi? They have no perfect or sexual stage in them. They do not reproduce by sexual reproduction. As the sexual reproduction or sexual phase is absent in Deuteromycetes members, they are called as fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi. Next, second question, additional question. The sexual forms of these fungi are not known. It means in which group of fungi, as we discussed here, in which group of fungi sexual reproduction is absent. See, sexual forms of Deuteromycetes fungi are not known. See, club fungi, no. Algal fungi, no. Sac fungi, no. Imperfect fungi, yes. This is our correct answer. Have you understood it? Next, third question, additional question, third question. Once perfect stages of imperfect fungi were discovered, they were often moved to is the statement. Look, come on. In Deuteromystis fungi are commonly known as imperfect fungi. Why they are called imperfect fungi? They have no sexual stage or sexual phase of life cycle is not known. Hence they are called imperfect fungi. If their sexual stage is discovered, into which group? To which group they are moved? That is the question. See, Ascomystis alone? No. Basidiomystis alone? No. Phycomystis? Not at all. It is correct answer. Fourth option is 1 and 2. If sexual stage of Ascomystis members, Deuteromystis members is discovered, they are moved to either Ascomystis group or Basidiomystis group. In any one of these two groups, organism is kept. I repeat, in perfect fungi, sexual stage is present. In imperfect fungi, sexual stage is absent. Deuteromystis or imperfect fungi, they have no sexual stage. No sexual stage means we do not know it. We have not discovered it. If once it is discovered, they are moved to either Ascomystis, sac fungi, or Basidiomystis, club fungi. Okay? Next question, fourth question, additional questions we are discussing. Deuteromystis reproduce only by, see the question, Deuteromystis reproduce only by is the question. 1. Sexual spores, conidia. First of all, in Deuteromystis, sexual reproduction is not present. Hence, it is not correct answer. Sexual spores called conidia is the question. It is not answer. Next, asexual spores called basidiospores. Say, basidiospores are sexual spores formed in Basidiomystis member, not in Deuteromystis. Hence, it is not also correct answer. Next, asexual spores known as conidia. Yes, asexual spores known as conidia. Okay. Next, sexual spores called ascospores. Ascospores are sexual spores, correct. But these are not formed in this group. They are formed in Ascomystis. Hence, it is not also correct answer. So, the correct answer is third option for this question. Next, in Deuteromystis, the mycelium is, mycelium is a septate and branched. This is common feature to Ascomystis, Basidiomystis and Deuteromystis. In Ascomystis, Basidiomystis and Deuteromystis, in these three groups, mycelium is septate and branched. But in Phycomystis, it is aseptate and branched. Okay, ma? Right. Next, sixth question. Select Deuteromystis members from the following. Here, a list of scientific names or organisms is given. From that list, we have to select the Deuteromystis members. Okay. Alternaria, yes, Deuteromystis member. Colletotrichum, Deuteromystis member. And Trichoderma, Deuteromystis member. So, our answer is first option. We will see next remaining options also. But we are selecting the correct answer. First option is correct answer. Next, we will see second option. Anabina, no, it is a prokaryote. Okay, Colletotrichum, yes. Trichoderma, yes. Colletotrichum and Trichoderma belong to Deuteromystis. But here we have to choose the list. The second option is having Anabina prokaryote. Hence it is discarded. Next, third option. Alternaria, correct. Colletotrichum, correct. Toadstools. See, toadstools are poisonous mushrooms. Belong to mainly Amanita. See, toadstools belong to, they do not belong to Deuteromystis, they belong to Basidiomystis mushrooms. Okay. Next, hence it is not also correct answer. Fourth option, Alternaria, correct. Aspergillus, sac fungus. Saccharomyces, sac fungus. So, first option is having all the members that belong to Deuteromystis. Hence, first option is correct answer. Okay, ma? Thank you.